When I say bananas, you say peppers. And today we are going to be doing a full case of SMISKI figurine unboxings. When I just unboxed that special little package that I got in the mail from Sunny Angel and we opened the SMISKI yoga figurine, it triggered a little memory in my mind that I thought I had an entire case of some series of SMISKI figurines over there in the storage closet. I have quite a few of these like full cases of vinyl figures that we just never unboxed until now. That I thought I had a SMISKI one and it turns out that I did. So I am so excited. I literally forgot how adorable these little guys are. But when we unboxed the yoga one, I was like, oh my gosh, I want to open more of the SMISKI figurines. This is series 3, aka the bathroom series. And I wonder if it actually says bathroom anywhere on it. See, I feel like I'm having kind of a crazy memory here because it's almost like we've unboxed 1 or 2 of this exact series before, but we didn't do an entire case of them. I don't remember where or when I got this case, but it's so interesting because when I was, you know, setting it up so we would have this nice little store display here, this big thing of cardboard was folded on the top, and I've never seen this in any of the full cases we've unboxed before, where it's actually like a card that stores use to like display. It says cut along the dotted line and use card as promotional display. So that is pretty cute. It's like the little extra marketing materials. Because I've never seen this little story about the SMISKI before, but I bet this is the story here. It's just written in Japanese, but it actually tells us that SMISKI are curious little creatures that love hiding in corners. They stay hidden and their existence is a bit of a mystery. At night, they start to glow though, and nobody quite knows why. So anyway, I am not sure how many. 12. So we have a case of 12. We have a case of 12 of them today. So there are only 6 options in here and 1 secret. So who knows, maybe we will get the super secret version today. I don't even think they give you a hint what the secret one is. But I'll tell you guys why these seem so familiar to me. Unless there was another SMISKI series that had 3 minifigures in 1 container, I know that I was on the quest for these 3 little guys before. Cheers to you, banana peppers. Let me know in the comments down below if you're enjoying a beverage right now. And if so, what are you drinking? I'm drinking matcha. Homemade matcha is so delicious, and I feel like it gives me like a lot of energy, but not the jittery kind of energy that you get with coffee. All right, you guys, oh my god, do I need to like change shirts? I feel like I'm gonna turn my shirt inside out really quick because I feel like I see that the camera is only focusing on their faces and not their sweet little faces. So give me a second. Now it's like trying to focus on the Furby. Oh my god, you guys can barely see him in that camera. Okay, anyway. Hopefully it's gonna work out. But you guys, every time I wear this shirt, I'm reminded of, I don't know if you guys saw this video. Let's start unboxing while I do a story time. But I don't know if you guys remember this video that I did on Graveyard Girl last year. It was one of my special, I keep wanting to call it 3D camera. That is not a thing. But like the 360, I don't know if you guys watched that or not, but when I did a snow cone stand in Austin last year, there was somebody that came up and literally offered to buy this shirt off my back. So now every time I wear it, I don't know why that's funny to me, but like, that's happened to me a couple times in my life. I feel like people always go for the really cool like vintage concert t-shirts, but that's happened. I think I was wearing a Rolling Stones shirt and somebody tried to buy that too. But I love my vintage shirts so much, I feel like I'd never get rid of them. So, all right, you guys, up first, let me see if I can find my little Sunny Angel book so that you guys can see them really good when they stand on their head or whatever. So this is the one that we got first, and let me see what he is officially called. SMISKI Handstand. He is so cute. All right, at the end today, I'm gonna try and remember to do a clip of them all glowing. So that was box number 1. So I feel like the Sunny Angel, like any of these blind boxes made by the company Dreams, I don't feel like they ever tell you the rarenesses, like what's the odds of getting which figure as a repeat, or how frequently you're gonna get them, or anything else. But let's see. Ah, yay! Oh my gosh. Okay, I'm so excited. I honestly wish if I was gonna get like a super duper repeat, I wish I would just get this a bunch of times and then we could just like put them all in a line. Oh my God, I thought I wasn't recording on the bottom camera for a minute. So this is called, they're just called SMISKI Little. You know what? Maybe this isn't the bathroom one. Maybe I'm just making stuff up, but they all look like they're doing talk to the hand. You know what? Maybe the bathroom ones, they're holding their nose. They're like this, but they're holding their nose. And then maybe these ones are just like talk to the hand. So I'm gonna try and lift them very carefully so you guys can see. Oh my gosh, look at how, look at how sassy they look. They also look a little drunk because they're falling over, but they are so cute. I definitely think that these are probably my favorite little SMISKI figures. Oh my gosh, and these look like they're gonna glow like super, super bright. You know how you can just tell something like is really good quality glow in the dark? Because it looks like it's almost glowing like right now when the lights are on. All right, you guys, box number 3. Who did we get now? Oh, you know what? Okay. There's not, whoa, this one has like, it smells like the toys that I hand out at Halloween sometimes. This one, I don't know why. Like the other ones haven't had any scent at all, but this one is like super plasticky smelling. So this one says SMISKI Climbing, and I'll show you guys the box in just a second because I actually thought that maybe he was gonna come on like a little string or something of some kind, because you know what, this display is probably why I think that they're bathroom related, because they show that one like climbing on the end of like, you know, those like back scrubber brushes, and that would be so cute to do. We don't have one of those right now, but I kind of want to order one on Amazon and just see, could we realistically hang this little guy off of one of those? I keep wanting to call it soap on a rope. Did you ever have soap on? I feel like that was like really popular when I was younger, was soap on a rope. And then they also had these, you know what? I think it came in a couple of different ways. Now I'm really gonna have to see if I can Google a picture of this because it's like a deep-seated memory that just popped into my brain. But they used to have these kind of sponges. It was like weird. It was like a weird texture bath sponge, but it had a soap inside of it. And the sponge was some like kind of licensed character. And it was like you would have this soap inside of a sponge. It wasn't like a loofah thing though. It was a sponge. I wonder why they stopped making those. I remember it was always, oh my gosh, okay, he peeks over something. I thought he was doing like a belly crawl, but you can put him, how did they do him on the, oh, he's like peeking over the loofah brush on that. But I'm showing you guys here on the edge of this book. I feel like I just cut myself off talking about bath sponges and who knows what I was talking about. Wait, is this is gonna be number 5. I kind of lost count because we got 3 in one box. Who is this? Oh my gosh, we haven't gotten a single repeat yet. Oh, that's so cute. So they made him like lift a bunch of towels on the packaging. I forget to tell you guys what each thing is called. So he's called SMISKI Hiding. So I guess you're supposed to put something over his little hands here. And the last one was called SMISKI Peeking. But that is too cute. They're so expressive to me, even though they have like really, you know, they're not like the most detailed figures that we have by any means, but they're just, I don't know, there's something like about their little expressions that are somehow so expressive. Okay, who are we gonna get? Ooh, still not a repeat. Oh my gosh. Okay, so I thought this one was cute too. He's called SMISKI Bridge. And so he's like kind of doing this crazy, I don't know what we would call this, dance move where he's leaning. Oh my gosh, wait, did their heads turn? It almost looks like this one, his head will turn. Oh my gosh, have I been missing this? Do they all do this? You guys, this one, you can position his head because he was sitting like not perfectly flat and I was like, okay, that's kind of weird. So that one, so his head turns too, the one that's climbing, but I don't think any of the other ones. Their little heads turn. Oh my gosh, I feel like I just made a discovery. That is so cute. Okay, but these couple ones, their heads don't turn. So this is gonna be box number, I'm still just looking down and struggling to count. So we should start getting repeats now, unless we're gonna magically pull the secret kind out. Ah, yay, okay. Literally the best one to get a repeat of. I'm gonna have a whole little army of these talk to the hand guys. Like I said, if there's any of them that I'm gonna get a repeat, I hope it's gonna be these guys because they're so cute. Okay, so now we have 6 of them. Oh my gosh. Let's see, I do hope we get the secret just so I can like show you guys. Because like I said, these, they don't tell you how rare it is, and they don't show you, at least on this one, I feel like the yoga one, they showed you an outline of what the secret figure could look like. Oh, we got the handstand one again. Because with the secret yoga one, we saw that it was like 2 SMISKIs doing some kind of yoga formation. My knowledge of yoga is not that much, so I can't even like guess what the yoga pose they're doing is. But this one, it literally doesn't even give you an outline of what the SMISKI might be doing. Oh, we got the peeking one again. He's pretty cute. All right, you guys, only 3 boxes left here. Oh my gosh, who's it gonna be? Come on, give me more of the 3 guys. No, we got, oh my gosh, I thought that this one was like a different one just because of how I pulled him out of the box. But he is the little bridge guy again. 2 left. Are we going to get the secret kind? I think that this company makes their rares super, super hard to get. Because like I said in the last Sunny Angel video, like how many years have I been trying to get the Robbie, the little Robbie sidekick figure? And I've never gotten him through all of the unboxings. And I don't think when we were doing the Sorry Angels, I don't think that I got any of those secret kinds either. So last box, you guys. Who did we just get again? I think we just got the climbing guy again. I was talking too much. Well, you guys saw on the video what we just got. All right, last box, moment of truth. I'm hoping it's at least like the 3 talk to the hand guys again. Ooh, it feels maybe a little bit different. Nope, it's hiding again. SMISKI hiding. So we did see the full set of all 6 of them, but still no secret. And I'm gonna look up a picture of what the secret is, because hopefully somebody online has taken a picture and spilled the beans. But that is it for today. We actually have a special little, oh my gosh, okay. I was trying to see if this, oh my God, look at this one. SMISKI Peeking. That was series 2. He's like, look at my butt. We missed out on that one. Anyway, you guys, I hope y'all had fun today with our little unboxing. These figures are so, so cute. So let me know if you would like for me to get more of these and we can unbox another series of them in the future. The only thing is I do wish, especially when we have a whole case, I wish that there was more options than just 6 so we wouldn't get so many repeats, but these are absolutely adorable. So that's it for today's video. Thank you guys so much for hanging out today and for watching. If If you're not already and you'd like to be, hit the button down below, subscribe, become a member of the Banana Peppers squad today. And until I see you guys again, stay happy, stay healthy, stay sassy, stay banana peppery. I love you guys so, so much, and I will see y'all again very, very soon. Bye!